Oh, hey. I'm out here just camping. See, I got my my string, just in case I need to tie up an antelope. I'm guessing you guys are here because of a lunchbox. My mama packed this for me. You guys want to see what's inside? Take that as a yes. Let's look inside. See what we got. Most important, the pepper spray. Now, this pepper spray keeps the flies away. Yep. And put that down just in case I want to review it again. It's color backwoods dry insects repellent. Now what we got here? This is my food supply right here. We got Pez. Put that back. Got my little orange friend right here. Don't know where he came from. Got this just in case I need to wash my clothes. This is what I eat with right here. And if I ever want to take a shower, I got these. Dry myself on. That's all I got. It's empty. Yep.
Boss said not to let you back anywhere near the house.
Well, why not?
You're just not relevant anymore.
What about
The channel died.
What about little Timmy right there? He ain't got no subscribers.
I'm here.
Impossible.
What?
Filthy, mangy rat.
So you're just gonna stand right there and watch me do my stuff?
If it comes to that, I will.
Well, I'm going back to the trailer park place. Hey. Oh! Oh, Jesus, that was not needed.
Jerry, just let him go this one time. It's okay.
Yeah.
He's a sure about this. Yeah, it's okay, man. He's with me.
It's stupid trap.
Man, this is the Banana Hunter 3000, boy. What you talking about? They be up, down, low, up in the middle, man. What you talking about? Banana Hunter.
What was that all about? What's that guy's
Refrigerator
fault?
man. You're like
He pushed me back in my
You're
chair.
my favorite character, dude.
Wait, really? You're my favorite character.
Oh. Yeah. Well, I've just been doing some banana hunt, you know? When my banana hound don't know where he went. Probably sniffing out some oranges.
Oranges?
Yeah, he likes oranges.
Hey, that was weird. I knew.
Bananas and oranges are the same thing. They both grow in the river.
Yep, I feel
Yeah,
you.
they're up, down, low, in the middle.
What's some pepper spray?
Oh no, I'm allergic to that, man.
Sure.
Yeah. Okay, well, take it easy. Wait, what exactly? Aren't you supposed to review refrigerators?
Yep, that's my lunchbox right there. It's just like a refrigerator. Put anything in it, like say Coca-Cola, keeps you cold all day.
Oh, okay, I'll see you around.
All right, see you, Jerry. Oh. I think he broke my chair. God. Yeah. That boy done broke my chair. Trap. Guess he can type an antelope. You never know. Lunchbox. So, I'm heading back to the character house right now. I'm gonna confront the boss. Tell him I want to live in the character house. The reason why my subscribers are so low is because I'm reviewing stuff like this. So, I'm gonna move in and I'm gonna review a real man's fridge because I'm a real man. So I'm gonna go confront him. It's a nice day. Got my river. Hey, you got my river. Got my bridge. That's my car right there. It's the car that Akura got his or her name from. Right here. It's actually Acura, not Akura. He's just not smart. Oh. you doing? What you doing in here?
Paperwork duty.
I said you got your socks off.
Nope. Paperwork duty.
I thought Jared does paperwork duty.
Nope. I'm in paperwork duty. What you doing there, boy?
That's my cameraman.
Paperwork duty.
That's Jerry's chair. You know.
Yeah.
You know what he does when he sees people in the chair. He can see the butt marks, and then he gets mad.
I let go, Jerry.
You did?
Yeah.
I feel you.
Yeah. It's by worker. Yeah, like My Little Pony. I mean paperwork. I like that paperwork, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You sure? I'm pretty sure I saw you.
out, boy.
Before we talk about that, I'm pretty sure I saw you play with a pony.
Nope. No.
You sure?
No.
All right.
I didn't. Hey. That's my paperwork duty.
That's your paperwork.
Yeah, boy, I'm gonna need you to skedaddle now because I got a lot of My Little Pony paperwork. My paperwork.
Yep.
And you know, all this paperwork duty is getting kind of wild.
Yep. Mind if I have a niggerette pack?
No.
Alright. Alright, well, I'm gonna go talk to the boss. Trying to get back in.
Hey, don't do that.
Why not?
Don't do that. You know him, boy.
What about him?
You know him.
I've never even met the boss.
Good luck.
Alright.
Now skedaddle now, boy. Let's get out of this house, boy.
Alright, we're leaving.
There's people. Come on. We're not here for the apples, man. We're here for the bananas. I smell this apple.
Hey guys, how's it going?
What are you doing here?
I made a friend.
I swear, you guys are just a bunch of crackheads.
What are you doing here?
I'm here to go talk to the boss.
Talk to the boss. Man, you're crazy.
What do you think? What do you think you are? Someone who's important? You are nothing more than sewer trash.
Oh, you can't talk to the boss. That's crazy.
Yeah,
why not?
stupid. What do you think you
Wait,
are?
why not?
He's crazy, dude. You don't know him like I am. Look, he's my father, okay?
Wait, what?
Ever since...
Wait, what?
He's my father. Ever since I was a child, he has forced me to banana hunt. And sure, I love it, but... This... He makes me use this. This hurts innocent bananas to make them easier to catch, but... It's not worth it. They can be up, high, down, low, middle. But if they're up, high, down, low, in the middle... If they're up high, you have to use this. And they're usually up high. So they're harder to catch. But I don't like hurting innocent bananas. Even though I destroy them with my forehead. It's just... It's violent. But he makes me use it.
That's such a crazy backstory, but I know you're lying because you are just a bunch of crackheads. I'm gonna go talk to the boss.
I don't get you beat up in the
Yeah.
streets, boy.
Yeah, there's no way you're talking to the boss man.
There's cocaine right there. Yeah.
Okay, those are my crazy pills.
Look.
I'm gonna do these banana
I think
shots,
I'm gonna
boy.
go talk to the boss.
Okay.
Alright, guys.
Banana short.
Alright, come on.
That
Come on.
felt amazing. Yeah.
See you later, crackheads.
Whoa!
You boy, I did banana shot.
They're just a bunch of crackheads. Wait, there's something weird about this room.
Hi, I'm here.
No, he was the refrigerator man was in here. I know you keep an eye on everything. I really don't know what happened. He was asking all these questions. We were hard at paperwork. I really don't know. I know that boy. I don't care. You need to get up in the paperwork into my office now. If you do not have it up here in 5 minutes,
He's
I will
an
kill you, my
ass.
son. Goodbye.
Be very quiet. I think the boss man's here. New lead notes. Alright, let's go read this in the garage. Go!
What are you doing?